Hey guys, I'm Rita, and in this episode I will show you how you can add a new contact on Gekko accounting software. To add a new contact, either customer, supplier or maybe both, we need to go to contact section. From here we will be able to add new contact by clicking on new contact button. And yes, as you can see from my current list, I have different types of contacts, suppliers, customers and both. Okay, so click on new contact. Add a name, either individual or company's name. So I have Train Limited. You can add a contact person's name here, but it's not mandatory. All mandatory fields got a star provided. So if you have contact person's details, you can add here, and also you can add an email address. Provide phone number, as well as registration number and VAT number if you have those. And this is a place where we can select if this is a customer, maybe this is a supplier, or maybe they're both. So this customer is also my supplier, so leave both enabled. Okay, provide an address detail. And you can still change country if you wish to. Select from drop-down list country which applies. Plus you can enable if you want to show country on invoice, and you can add details more like hourly rate, your hourly rate, what you would charge if, for example, if you want to recharge hours, as well as kilometer compensation. For example, I have set amount or maybe per kilometers set amount, for example 78 cents in my case. Payment terms, how many days is given to pay for this invoice or receive money in from this customer, for example, and I can add additional notes if required. Once you have added all information above, click Save Contact. Now Train Limited is provided here and it is in status supplier and customer. If I want to amend it, for example, if it's just purely customer, deselect supplier and it's changed information to customer. If this is just purely my supplier, change information and it changes to supplier. In this episode, I showed you how you can add a new contact on Gekko accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my Gekko tutorial and review episodes. If you have not seen those yet, check them out.